this video, we're going to be working with the product rule. So, the product rule, let's look at an example of a composite function that uses the product rule when you're trying to derive it. Let's start with x sine x. And let's say we wanted to find the derivative of x sine x. Well, it might help to notice that this is two different functions that are just sort of clinging to each other, like lonely dandelions to a mountainside. So, if we wanted to take the derivative of this, we'd have to use the product rule. The product rule involves taking, it doesn't really matter the order because you're doing addition between them. So let's say we take the function, the blue function, times the derivative of the red function, plus the red function, times the derivative of the blue function. Now, if we solve all these out together, by the way, these are all equal to each other, solve all this out, simplify. There's not much to simplify, but it's just going to end up looking like x cosine of x plus sine of x. And the important thing to notice is that these are two different functions. One is not embedded inside the other. They're simply multiplied together.
Since you guys should be pros, we're just going to try one more. Say if we want to find the derivative of x e to the x, we have to notice that these are two functions being multiplied with each other. So we have to use the product rule. So if we make x the green function and e to the x the red function, we do the green function times the green function times the derivative of the red function, which is just x times the derivative of e to the x, which is easily just e to the x, plus the red function times the derivative of the green function.
It's Christmas.
And the derivative of the green function is just 1. So, yes, these are... So just making this a little prettier, we're going to get x e to the x plus e to the x.